Welcome.
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 We're so glad you're here.
Welcome to our annual VNA Treasures event.
We're glad you're here. The theme of our event tonight is Living Well.
To live well means to me a focus on faith, family, and friends.
To me, living well is a balance between your physical health and your mental health.
It means having family and friends around. It means good wine.
Surrounding yourself with great friends, great family.
We at the Visiting Nurse Association provide an opportunity for patients to live well in their home.
I always try to identify with my patients what living well means to them.
It's important in our line of work to teach everybody in the household how to live well, both the patient and the caregiver.
The Visiting Nurse Association of Ohio has been serving patients and their families for 111 years in the greater Cleveland area. We help them stay in their home wherever they call home and live well.
And that can mean many things to many different people. Everything from hospice patients who need to make the most of the time left that they have with their family and friends, to people in rehabilitation and getting nursing care so they can live better, more independently, and happier, and enjoy everything that they define as living well. Thank you for joining us this evening.
Thank you for your support and have a great evening.
Thank you for coming, and I hope you enjoy your evening.
Thank you for coming.
We truly appreciate your support.